that way. That looks so much better already.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us all tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you want?
This is on. This issue is getting dark. Good thing we did my room. That doesn't have any lighting. Oh boy. What happened? They nailed it underneath it. Gonna need like a saw or something. Alright, so instant ice is. Alright. It's gonna. I think it didn't work. There we go. I don't think it's cold enough. Yeah, it is. It's being very slow because it's not cold enough. This one turned into ice. Yeah, that one turned into ice. So did this one. This one's already made of ice. Yeah, it's like a slushy. This one already has ice. Cool. Yeah, because it like does it like corrodes. Cool. That is lit. Yeah. You excited, Aaron?
Is Aaron eating pizza?
Yeah. Go ahead and give him a piece.
There you go, my little brother. My little man. That's yours. Come sit down. And you fold it like that. And then you take it like that. Put it in your lap. I'm scared that there might be electric in it, but
I doubt it. It's a solid wood piece,
I don't see
Dave.
how it could be.
No, the electric is down on the floor. Come here. No electric. Because you would have been electrocuted. Sweet! Push it the other way. Dang, push it that way. That looks so much better already.
I have to unhook the power to that.
Yeah,
And I have to unhook the power to that.
right,
But first we have to make sure there's no power.
right.
So to do that, you plug this in. And you pull the trigger every time I say, is that it? Is that it? And when it doesn't work, that's the right one.
Okay.
All right. Don't hurt yourself.
Nice. Can I get God, you can see all the dust flying around.
That'll be easier
Wow.
after I cut this.
So cool. Whoops. That is so cool. Look at that. You can see into the kitchen. Looks so much bigger. Hi. Are you just chilling out, having a good time?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's see what the girls are doing. Oh. Back at it again. So cool.
Sometimes I accidentally miss it and I'll hit my wrist. And
I don't-
beating it.
Oh, that's not good. Let's explain to people why your eye looks that way.
It's makeup, fam. I'm cosplaying.
For no reason.
No one will probably be able to guess one.
Goodbye, wall. Hello, open floor plan.
Yeah, that was so much better.
I love it. I love that now I can see the fireplace from here.
Yeah. I like the nice for dining table there.
So awesome.
It looks so good.
You want to get rid of this?
Yep, I do. Oh my. Woo! Oh my God, that's so awesome. Yeah! Yay.
Oh. That's like the original thing right there.
Hi guys, it's day 2 and we've got a lot done. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what it looks like so far. This is the foyer. We have pulled all of the carpet out of every part of the house that had carpet. This right here is the only thing in this house that we're keeping. Everything else is going, including the linoleum in the bathrooms. So I'm gonna go around this way because that was a little dangerous. This is the state of my kitchen right now. Here is the tile that's gonna go in this room, and it's gonna be herringbone. And see if I can turn the light on. I don't even know how these lights work. Okay, there we go. So what I've done so far is I took this off the wall because we're gonna be painting. And I took the top shelf and the bottom shelf off, and Shane is going to cut them and he's going to place them here and here. And then the ones that were here we're getting rid of. He knocked this wall down, which you guys already saw. And that's where we're at so far. And we're gonna replace all of this. And I'm still deciding if I want to stain this or paint this. And I'm definitely getting rid of that yellow. Yeah. All right, so we knocked down this wall, as you guys saw. And we are going to get rid of these 2 tiles here and then make this tile come out to the same as this. Unfortunately, this tile, we found this tile, but it was way too much money. So we cannot afford to put this tile all through here because it would cost us 4 times more than it cost us for that tile. If we do this tile all the way out, then we wouldn't be able to do anything else in the house that we wanted to do. So we need to patch that wall up. That hole from the wall. Here's the other hole from where the post was. So let's go into the dining room. This is the office, not the dining room. It will be. We're gonna put some drawers here and some drawers there and put a countertop and go all the way across. And we bought like a power strip, and we're gonna put a power strip underneath the countertops, and we're gonna have all of our computer monitors and laptops here. And we'll have a charging station here too. We are not sure if this is a supporting beam. We don't think it is, but we don't want to take any chances. So Shane's gonna have his friend come and look at it and make sure, because this is a supported wall. This is the wall that holds up our second story. So we aren't sure about this part right here. We know that that's supportive, we can't take that out, but we're not sure about this. We may or may not keep this. If it's not a supporting wall, we probably will shorten this to probably maybe here. We're not sure. We might keep it here because we changed our mind as far as the floor plan goes in here, and we're going to put a bar here, and we're going to put a couch here, an L-shaped couch that goes all the way over here, and then a big, huge, gigantic ottoman here. And then over here is where we're going to put our TV. And then I'm still keeping these in here for now because of privacy. But I am going to use these as a pattern, and I'm going to make my own curtains because this is a really nice pull traverse system that opens and closes the blinds. So I'm keeping this, but I'm going to get rid of this fabric. Okay. That's going in the garbage. Our neighbors, their dogs are vicious. They bark so nasty and so loud, and they like scratch at the fence. It is scary. And every time we had been here to visit this house, I'm talking like 10 times, we'd never heard those dogs. And then we move in, and now all of a sudden we hear the dogs going insane. Anyway, okay, so I wanted to take the carpet off of the stairs. I can't do that right now because Shane wants to be able to have the cushion here for when we bring the furniture up the stairs. But I do know I checked, and there is nice wood risers here, and so I'm going to be doing these stairs so beautifully. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to get these done. All right, let's go up in here. It's so dark. Let me turn on the lights. Okay. So we've got all the carpet out. All the tack strips are pulled up. I still need to pull this up. We've got everything pulled up in Emily's room as well. And these are some flooring samples. Same as Jasmine's room. Everything, all the tack strips are pulled up. And we bought the girls some glitter paint. Rust-Oleum glitter paint. And they are going to do, each one of them are going to do an accent wall. And Jasmine was playing around with it, and she like took her fingers and did like that with it. But that is what she's going to have. Glitter, glitter everywhere. And we are painting these walls. She just did that to play with it. It's flat, like there's no texture to it at all. And then I did my bedroom, took up all the tack strip. The only thing I don't understand about are these metal things right here. There's a metal one there and one here. And we don't know what they are. And then in my bathroom, oops, I took up the carpet in here because carpet in the bathroom is disgusting. And so they originally had this linoleum, and then they put this linoleum on top of it. Disgusting. They're both disgusting. And the toilet doesn't flush properly. Oh, God. And this outlet doesn't work. So we gotta work on that. This entire bathroom is going to be gutted. We're gonna gut the whole thing and just start from fresh. It's gonna be awesome. And then I decided to keep the carpet in here for now because it's gonna be about 3 or 4 months after we've moved in before we can start doing the construction work in here, because it's going to take a while and we just don't have enough money right now, and we have other things that we wanted to get done downstairs first. So, want to see a view of outside? The neighbors have a pool too. So I'm at the stairs and Shane hits his head on this when he goes down the stairs. So we will be raising this up. That is blood from Shane. I want to take you guys outside because I want to show you what Shane is working on. And I also wanted to let you guys know that we are going to be taking all the texture off of this ceiling. And we might replace this. But that will be in the future. All right, let's go see what Shane is doing.
Aaron walked over by where the dogs are going berserk.
Uh-huh.
And now his feet are all yucky.
Your feet are green.
Kind of. He has like stuff.
Because you went out with no shoes on and your feet got yucky? Aw, are you sick, boo-boo? You're not feeling good? Is that why you had your pacifier? Yeah. It helps you suck up your snot, huh? We're going to replace all this decking. But one thing at a time. Right now, we need a fence. Hi! How's it going? Oh, that's good. We'll have to keep that plant trimmed back, like maintain it. Like
This is bamboo.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, see?
I didn't know that was bamboo.
Yeah, I asked Brian and he verified it. Yeah, I thought it was.
I thought it was a palm tree.
I was like, that's bamboo. Yeah.
Ladybugs grow on bamboo, are they?
I wish that I had this whole perimeter of our lawn.
Well, we can dig it up and plant it.
Well, you just take off like this shoot right here.
I know.
Just cut down and it'll just keep growing.
Yeah. Shoot, why get a fence? We can just plant some bamboo right there and be done. This is my craft string. He borrowed it. I was going to do a DIY and he borrowed my craft string. Yeah, like why don't we just go ahead and take some of this and grow?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, absolutely.
Make a fence that way.
Well, eventually this will be our boat gate to back our boat in.
Yeah, I know. I'm just playing
But
around.
we can run this along this way.
Yeah.
Privacy.
Oh, yep. It is bamboo. Look at that.
Yep. I didn't see it until I cut it, turned it back.
Wow. Awesome.
It's pretty. I love bamboo.
So we're getting rid of these because they're rotted?
Yeah.
Look at that.
And I got to get new hinges for that gate. Because those hinges are just door hinges. Those aren't gate hinges.
Oh, that's funny. So that's where we're at. And I'm excited. I'm exhausted. My back hurts. But that's where we are so far. And, yep. Let's see what ends up happening. Tomorrow we're going to be scraping up the ceiling. And, yeah, so we'll be done.
Finishing up fence.
Finishing up the fence, scraping the ceilings, and then we can start painting.
Next weekend.
Next weekend we'll start painting, yeah.